Information about your children. Here you indicate what the total number of children is in item number 1, and then number 2 and beyond, you have, I think it provides for up to 4 kids, so D. And if you have additional ones, then put them at the bottom. So at the bottom of the form. And so here it's pretty easy to follow. So you're looking at independent of age, child 1 through 4 or what have you. You know, you need to give their full name, A numbers if they have any, date of birth, where they were born, where do they currently live, and you know what kind of child they are. You know, biological, stepchild, adopted, what have you. And you do that A through D. And if you need additional room, you just go at the end of Form N-400 on page 20.